I'm Jonah Chambers, a Senior Educational Technology Specialist at the Center for the Advancement of Teaching at Temple University. As we've all experienced during these fast-moving technological times, it can be especially frustrating when technologies we rely on for teaching disappear. For instance, Google Jamboard, an online whiteboard that's popular among many instructors, is being discontinued by Google. It will be view-only as of October 1st, 2024, and completely inaccessible on December 31st, 2024. If you've integrated Jamboard into your teaching activities, we wanted to share with you a few possible alternatives available for you and your students. If you're looking for a Temple-supported online whiteboard substitute for Jamboard, Zoom Whiteboard is an excellent option. While Zoom Whiteboard can be used during a Zoom meeting, it can also operate independent of a Zoom meeting, meaning it can be used in an in-person class or asynchronously. In addition to replicating Jamboard's core features, allowing users to stick digital Post-it notes onto a virtual board for brainstorming or gathering quick input on a question, users can also comment on each other's posts, connect lines between different posts, create mind maps, and even use AI to generate content for the board. Unlike Google's Jamboard, elements on Zoom's Whiteboard can be locked to prevent others from manipulating or deleting them. Another powerful alternative to Jamboard is Miro. While Temple does not have a license with Miro, educators can apply for a free education account to gain access to Miro's more advanced features. Users can use virtual Post-its, comment on each other's posts, create flowcharts, diagrams, wireframes, and more. Frames, which allow you to define or section off specific areas of the board, can provide for visual distinction within the board to showcase activities such as voting or brainstorming. The presentation mode can be used to walk people through each of these frames sequentially. Students don't have to have a Miro account to access and interact with the board, making them easy to share. Also worth noting is that you can import data from Jamboard, allowing you to migrate some of your Jamboard projects into Miro before Jamboard is shut down. For a more organizational design approach, instructors and students have access to Microsoft Visio, which can be used for diagramming, flowcharting, and the creation of vector graphics. Visio is part of the Microsoft 365 suite, so there's no limitations on its use. It offers real-time collaboration and commenting via the Visio web app. While boards can be shared with anyone, students will have no trouble accessing them with their own Temple Microsoft account. Whatever alternative to Jamboard you may choose, collaborative online whiteboards are especially helpful when dealing with sensitive topics and tough discussions, because contributions can be set to be completely anonymous. This means that you can quickly get input from everybody in class efficiently without feeling on the spot. If you'd like to discuss how you can use online whiteboards to create a more inclusive and productive learning environment, visit the CAT website at teaching.temple.edu